Janiela. Today we are going to be making funfetti cupcakes. Stay tuned if you want to find out what happens next. So we're back, and now we're going to start off with the supplies we need for this baking session. We'll need
a cupcake tray, a bowl,
1 cup, half a cup, 1 teaspoon, 1 whisk,
cinnamon,
oil,
frosting, fetty cake, and eggs.
Step 1. Put the cupcake mix into the bowl. Step 2. You'll need approximately 1 cup of water. Step 3. You'll need half a cup of oil. That was cool. Want to put it in there? Step 3, you'll need 3 eggs. Or step 4. 2 and 3. Now we'll have to mix all the ingredients to get all together. We'll get back to you when it's all done.
We see sprinkles, eggs.
You like the colors?
Yeah.
So we're mixing up the batter, trying to get all the dry ingredients mixed with the wet.
It looks like SpongeBob.
And we'll get back to you guys when it's all mixed up properly. To add a little more flavor, I'm gonna have Jessiana put in some cinnamon. I think that's good.
Now
you can add a little more cinnamon. That's good. And now we're gonna have to oil the pan and put the cupcake papers in there. We'll fill this up. Get back to you guys when it's all done. So we have just finished putting the cupcake batter into the cupcake tray. So
let's put it in the oven.
So guys, the cupcakes are out of the oven. They have cooled. We have frosted them. And my sister Tiana is here because she is going to be our professional taste tester. Okay. What do you think?
That's really good.
So guys, I think this one is a success. Yay!
Yay!
Well, anyways, we'll get back to you guys on another video on another time. Stay tuned and hit the notification button and hit that subscription bell. We love you. Mwah.